Hello everyone, welcome to Paranormal and Spiritual World. Today we will talk about that why eating egg is a heinous crime, why it is a bad karma. Egg, generally we think that it's not non-veg, but it's worse than that. You know, a hen who is laying eggs every day for you in a farm or somewhere, she's laying egg with the same belief, with the same emotions, with the same love, just like any woman who is giving birth to a child, having dreams, having emotions to be with the child, to be the mother of the child, but that egg is taken away immediately. She goes through so much trauma, so much pain that you cannot even imagine, just like any woman goes through pain and trauma of the delivery. You can ask any woman who has given birth to a child that the intensity of pain she goes through while giving birth to a child, and even before that, those 9 months period, it is so painful. And the same trauma, the same panic, the same anxiety, the same sadness, that same depression, that same we can say attacks, panic attacks, pain, everything is faced by that hen. Although that hen is an animal, but she is capable of suffering the same issues, the same emotions which a woman does. So she goes through mental trauma, physical trauma, pain while giving birth to an egg. For her it's a child, while laying the eggs, and immediately the egg is taken away, and she will not get relief. Now she will again be you can say injected with steroids and things and stuff, so that she'll be ready to lay egg again. So this mental trauma, this delivery pain, this whole process will continue till her life, till she is in that farm. So every day she is getting pregnant, then she is going through the delivery process, she is facing same pain, same trauma, same issues. She is laying egg, she is having affection, hopes, emotions towards that egg, that she will provide warmth to that egg, and then it will turn out to be a chicken. But before that also it has been taken away. She is not able to get that baby for herself, or to give that baby affection and all. Generally humans are smart enough, they are inhuman enough, that they think that animal does not have any emotions, they do not have any liking, they do not have any pain or suffering, they do not feel anything. So this is an inhuman ideology which lot of humans carry within themselves. We humans generally speak a lot about women empowerment. Women goes through delivery pain, women goes through that. We should take care of the child of the woman, we should not create separation of the child and the mother, we should not do abortions, blah 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 stuff. But what about the hen who is laying egg every day? She is going through the same pain, same delivery issues, same trauma which a woman goes through. She is also has the same process, same nature of giving birth to a child. She is just laying eggs through the same area. Everything is same. Just because she is an animal, she does not have the right, the dignity, the life, the privacy, or any kind of safety. She is used like a machine to lay egg every day. Every day she is going through the same trauma, same pain, and that emotions, that sadness which she is carrying while her child is taken away. Can you imagine this thing to happen to any woman who is being made ready artificially to give birth to a child, and every time she gives birth to a child, that child will be taken away? The kind of detachment, the kind of pain she will feel in both ways: first while giving birth, second by the detachment of the child with the mother. Can you imagine that pain? You will say that this is rarest of the rare crime done with a woman, that she is giving birth to a child and child is taken away, and again she is being injected to get ready to give birth to a child again, and the same process is repeated with her. This is inhuman. But we are doing this from centuries with that hen, just because we love eggs. Because she's an animal, she does not have a life. She does not have right to take care of her child or to provide warmth to the child, because people generally want that egg immediately before it gets converted into a chicken. So you're getting you can say you are generating bad karma, first of the mental trauma, that pain which that hen goes through every day for you, that delivery pain, and second, that detachment pain which she is going through. So both the bad karmas are generated for you because you are eating that egg again and again every day. Thousands, lakhs of eggs are being created in farms, and no, I don't know, hundreds, thousands, lakhs of hens may be going through all this process every day. The kind of pain their life is full of, you cannot even imagine. That's why eating egg is really a very, very bad karma. You are making someone suffer like anything. You are making a woman, you can say a female, you can say, not woman, a female, you can making her suffer to the delivery pain, the delivery issues, that whole emotions, and that detachment. And just because you have this protein thing that goes on in your mind, that we get a lot of protein, or it's good to your taste buds or something like that, you ignore all that humanity, you ignore all that thing which she's facing every day. And I really don't think somebody has ever thought about this which I'm telling you today. So try to think regarding this. Ask your mother, ask your sister, ask your wife how much pain she has gone through while giving birth to a child, or giving birth to you. Or you can ask your wife how much pain she has been going through while giving birth to your child. And if somehow someone would have taken that child away immediately after giving birth, how she would have felt? Ask this question. The same treatment which you're giving to that hen every day, again and again, repeating that trauma to her. So that's why eating egg is really bad. If you get a very good answer, if you get a genuine answer, if you get the answer full of emotions from your mother or your sister or your wife or your daughter, try to consider the position of that hen. She may be an animal, but she does also have a single right, that is the right to life, the right to dignity, the right to safety, the right to have a life without pain and sufferings. Try to think about it. I've already uploaded this video in Hindi quite long before, so I will also give the link below so you can go through the video in Hindi language. I hope you like today's video and you will again think about it and try to stop this lust towards eggs, because it is a bad karma. So keep on watching me. I am Pulkit Mohan Singla. You're watching Paranormal and Spiritual World. Thank you so much.